our day 2 here in Wales and we're eating our breakfast. We've got porridge and chocolate milk. And look at our neighborhood. Ayan. Say good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel at Simply Smith Family. Ayan. Eating na. Oh, sus, naku, laki na. Oh my goodness.
That's why he's complaining that I don't print it.
Yes. Oh,
Check
man.
if we got
No, I haven't checked if we got rice. Good morning, William. Yeah. Oh, he's drinking. You had yours, anak. That's Ben's. He's drinking again. Do you want some porridge, Ben? William? William looks tired. Look at that. You had a good sleep last night.
Here.
William's here. Say hello, everyone. You're doing well, doing well, Ben.
It's still money today.
Pardon?
How what?
It is a bit of a cold morning today.
All cleaned up.
What are you having for breakfast? You having egg?
Ooh.
Daddy's having egg. Mommy's having egg. Ben's having porridge because he can't wait for his egg. Sarap ng kain ni Ben, oh. What's this? Golden syrup oatmeal. Ala. Porridge. William, that's Ben's drink. He's drinking the second one. Oh my word. That's not yours. That's Ben's. Oh, let's make another one kasi ininom na niya ang kanyang.
Like it.
You alright, Daddy?
I'm very fine.
Did you sleep okay last night?
Yeah, apart from William making you.
I know, I'm the same.
Awake at 10 to 5, quarter to 5.
You were awake at 4:45 in the morning.
Yeah.
Gosh.
And then I think I fell asleep again. I think around about 6 or something like that.
Kami naman guys, dito kami natulog sa may sala. Ginawaan namin itong bed. And then Tomas and the kids doon sila sa may bed talaga. And then in the morning, pagising ko, nandun na sila lahat sa tabi ko. You were all next to me this morning, darling. I fell asleep here and then oh, Dad is making the extractor fan work. Darling, mind your head on that cupboard. The toaster.
Oh, I've opened it.
There you go. Dad is gonna make our brekkie. There you go. You can see the sea. And the boat. Ay, si Sapo. Somebody's happy now. This morning, guys, grabe. Grumpy ang Ben. As in, ayaw niyang mag-toothbrush, ayaw niyang mag-change ng nappy, ayaw niya. Yung pala, gutom. What is it?
The eggs travel, don't they?
Yeah, the eggs traveled. You found it. What did you see, Ben? A dinosaur. Is there a dinosaur there? Really? Let's have a look. Is there a dinosaur? No dinosaur naman. You're making me, no?
Yeah.
Where's the dinosaur? Ayan guys, ang ating mga kapitbahay, si Ben ang ingay-ingay, so he's trying to wake everyone. Oh, quiet na anak, my God. Ko-complain tayo ng mga kapitbahay kasi maingay guys. Ayan, it's August. What is the date today, darling? 20th?
13, around it, and go around it that way.
August 20, 2025 today guys. At ayan, bagong gising ang lola ninyo at eto, ang sarap matulog and it's already, what, 9:30? O 10? So, wala kaming relo guys. I did not put the battery here in the caravan with the clock para you can just relax. You wake up when you wake up kasi it's a holiday, so you and then we just look at our phone pagka pag nagising na kami. Pero of course, pag uwian na, syempre kailangan mag-alarm dahil check out dito is 11.
Ben thinks it's velociraptor.
Si Ben ang alarm clock namin, guys. Oh my goodness. William, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, William. Hey, hap hap, hap hap. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Don't get the pajama bottom. Look. Yay! Hap hap. Hap hap. Hap hap. There you go. Happy birthday, William. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Oh, Ben. Blow it. Yay! Hap hap. Do you want to blow your candle again? Yeah, this is your early birthday celebration for William kasi may pasok na sa birthday niya sa September, so we're celebrating it in August. Breakfast time! Kain na! Go! Oh, wonky! Don't use it. Don't use your nose blow like this. Happy birthday to you! Yay! Oh, kain na! Yeah, do you want egg? Let's put it in. Let me help you with that lamp. Hey, mommy, help mom. Blow it. It's hot. Just go. Good boy, William. He's finishing the porridge. There you go. Thank you. Mommy can cut it. Like this. Like this. Poached egg on toast. Thank you,
I
Daddy.
think them best eggs are them large ones they had from the farm shop. The Shukas, they're the best.
Hi guys. Dude, delicious, yummy. Good boy, Ben. Well done, William. May nakahiga na kumakain.
You got eggs for sale here, haven't you, in that box?
Today?
Yeah, that honesty box. Do you not remember when we first saw it?
Meron pala silang binibenta. I see, we'll have a look.
Yeah.
Oh, let me cut it. Yeah, you can have it.
Do you want another fork?
Yes, please, Daddy. He's taking over.
As always.
You got to cut it. That's it. Cut it. Cut it. You got to blow it. It's hot. William Proper. Finish the milk. Yeah. Do you want some, William? Some egg. Yeah. Egg. William.
He loves it because he's...
It's his.
Oh, yeah.
Camera. He's showing you dirty nose. Say hi, everyone. Oh, step back so they can see your hands waving. Kawai, kawai. Kawai, kawai. Kawai, kawai. And this is the second breakfast of Ben.
I know he's had some porridge as well, hasn't he? Hungry little salty.
Kawai, kawai. That's it. Very good. You're eating well. That's what Mommy and Daddy wants to see. Mix, mix, mix. Yummy. There you go. There's your bread. You have to have the toast, not just the egg.
Oh, it's raining.
Huh?
It's raining.
Oh, it's raining, guys.
It's only drizzle like.
Yeah, I woke up. It was it was drained. It was drizzling. Yummy, Ben? Delicious. That's the Poached egg, guys. Oh, very healthy, walang oil. Pero, dalawa naman ang yellow. Pero yan po ang breakfast ni Tomas. Namin pala.
Nice. Considering no vinegar in the water.
Oh, yeah? Yes,
You want
please.
toast as well?
No, think egg, just egg, because the kids ate my egg.
Are you desperate for it now?
No.
Down, all down. Now turn it down first, put the egg in.
Ayan guys, morning walk. Naka-pajamas pa kami. Ang mga bata, you cannot really keep them inside. Pagka maliwanag na, ayan, gusto nang lumabas. Itong si Ben, ayaw niya yung scooter niya. Gusto niya yung malaki. My God, Ben, that's not yours. That's Q Williams. Beep, beep. What are you gonna do? Kami ni Wen, maglalakad na lang kami ni William. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Medyo malamig siya. Nag-drizzle kanina. Oh, Daddy's going for a shower. Oh, tara na. Let's go! Ayaw magpahawak. Yan, we're gonna wait for the train. Choo-choo! Help, mommy. Right then. Dito guys, merong railway. So, may mga train na dumadaan papuntang Landudno. No climbing, anak ko. Yes, you got to say hello to the train and say bye-bye when they pass. Is there any coming? No train? Where's the train gone? Parang mga ewan guys. Dito kami nag-aantay ng train. Dumaan. Para daw sila kumaway. Is the train coming, boys? Is it coming? Can you hear it coming? No? Blow the dandelion. That's it. Gone. Ben, look at this, William. Like a little fern. And they are patiently waiting for the train. Pardon? Blow it, Ben. Blow it, anak. Dandelion. Look at the sky. It's threatening to rain. Sabi nila it will rain daw this morning. Pero sa hapon daw, maaraw daw. So hopefully guys, maganda ang weather later. Ayan, sige, takbo! This year guys, mahalata nyo na ito usually green. Dahil hindi sobrang dry at hindi did not have enough rain. Ayan, brown ang grass. Doon lang ang may green. Si Ben takbo ng takbo. Ayan, dala-dala niya yung scooter niya. Just ko, I need the helmet. Si William nang gumamit kasi ayaw na ni Ben. Oh dear. That's the Welsh flag. Mahangin, guys. Yan, we found the play area. You did it! Woohoo! Well done! Yay! William managed to cross there and Ben. Yay! Good job! Big boy na talaga si William, oh. Oh, gaya-gaya din, oh. May mga kalaro na sila. Yan, may mga ibang bata nang dumating.
Please.
Spin around. You're going. Yeah, do you want to come down now? All right, let me help you. Living the life, Ben. Yes. Oh, there's a truck. Look, ang laki niya, no? Truck, guys, na kinonvert yan sa loob. Oh, di ba? Ganda. Yan, guys, madami silang toilets. Meron din pang family. Ben, wait for us. May mga showers. There's the shower. Yan. Oh, let's go na. Tapos free din ang blow dryer nila, yung hair. Bakit dala-dala mo yan? Oh, let's go na. Ito yung mga toilet blocks nila, guys. Ayan. Come on, Ben. That's it. Thank you. Go on, Ben. You can do it. You can do it. Good job. Let's go. Kuya William. Oops, careful. Kuya William. You okay? You okay? This way, Ben. Etong Ben, guys. Diyos ko, ayaw mag-helmet. Ayan, guys. Mabalik na kami sa caravan at we're gonna get ready. So, hopefully, makapunta kami sa may dagat, sa may beach mismo. At maglaro sila doon, mag-burn ng energy. Hope you're all okay, guys. Hope you're all okay. Saan man kayo mo sa mundo. Sana safe kayo. Stay happy, healthy, and live the life. Allah, si Ben. Sige. Diyos ko. Walang takot ang Ben. Break! Break! Diyos mayo, Marimar. That is finished! Oh, yan. It's still there waiting for the train. Look at that. You can park here, guys. At may mga... Yan. Look at that. Medyo bato-bato siya. Gusto niya pumunta dito mag-picnic. Pwede din. See the sea. People go there for a walk all the way there. It says they're Colwyn.
Says where?
The sign that we just drove past, the giant COLWYN. Ross on Sea Promenade. What town is this, darling?
This is Ross on Sea.
Ross on Sea. Ah, RHOS
There's a
on
white.
Sea.
Ross on Sea.
Ah.
RHOS on Sea. There's that fishing shop again.
We came here with Tatay to get some fishing stuff. Cappuccino ice cream.
It's busy. With your Mum and Dad in that old blue Fiesta of mine.
Was it?
Yeah.
Didn't we go up with the yellow van?
Yes,
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
we did. But also, I mean, actually around the road that goes around the Great Hall.
I see, yeah,
We only did it with your mum and dad before when I had that blue Fiesta.
yeah. William, are you excited? Should we go a kite? May nakita siyang kite, guys, at ayun, na-excite ang lolo ninyo. At ito naman si Ben, tulog. Shall we go get the kite now? William, you ready? Yes, let's go. Just go. Hello, 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 hello. Si William. Slide. It's a slide, Ben. Oh, William. Whee! My goodness. That's a high one. Look, that's high. Oh God, ang dumi. Just go. Let them be kids. Yan, maligo ka na lang mamaya. Yes! Is it fun? Let's go buy some kite. So go get your kite now. Yeah? We forgot our blanket. Ayan guys, we're at the... Where are we, darling? Let's have a look. There you go, guys. This is where we are. Ross-on-Sea. South Wales. No, North Wales. Nasa North Wales tayo. Yan guys, dito Ross-on-Sea sa left, dito naman Colwyn Bay sa right. And then doon sa may further left, Llandudno. Fascinated si William dyan sa may spinning mga metal na nag-i-spin. Daddy found a mega crab bucket. Pagod naman si Ben tulog. Yan guys, spinning, spinning.
Not a very big shop, that one.
Yeah,
Best
I'll
not
go
to
inside. Yeah, I'll go, darling. Ayan, may mga crab pa sila dyan. I'm gonna buy daddies for the because he's trying to go crab fishing. Oh, ang ganda guys. Oh, may mga jewelries din. Here, that's it. Keep going. Here's the kite, William. Yeah. Look, look. Wow, look at this. Do you want this one? This way, William. Oh, wow. Is that a kite as well? Sorry, let me just have a... William, look, there's a dragon here. William, dragon. Dito guys, we're looking at somewhere we can catch some crabs. Pero dapat daw doon. Pero malayong tubig. What are they picking there, darling?
Hey?
What are they picking in there? The shell? Yan, tulog pa ang Ben. So kami ni William, nakabili ng kite. Hawak-hawak niya, ayaw niyang bitawan. Alright, shall we? Papa, there, darling. You can go there.
Nah, it's a bit fun. Oh, it's great.
Right, let's go play with the kite then. Medyo mahangin siya today. It's a bit cold. Ayan, naglalakad tayo guys. Pupunta dun sa may buhangin para at least makapagtakbo-takbo si William. Si Ben, at least tulog pa siya. Mabuti naman nakakatulog siya para magre-recharge lang muna. Parang pang-balance nila. Look at Ben. William, you okay? Pagod na. Okay. Let's try it. Daddy!
Yeah. Keep still, William, I'm in.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's supposed to be under.
Hang on.
It's just
Doesn't
this
say.
type.
Yeah, just put it under.
I'm doing something.
Yeah, that's it. Now, how do we do this?
Like this to that loop. That circle.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Wow, William, it's going. It's going. Daddy tight for us.
Hang on. 2 seconds, William.
There is your kite, William. It's going up a bit. Yeah, that's it. Hold it. Do you hold this? Do you hold this? There you go. It's going up, William. Woohoo! We're not good with the kite, flying the kite, guys. Kaya to, nagsusulat na lang si William. W, William! That's it! Woohoo! Si Ben naman at si Thomas, guys, ayun, tulog pa kasi si William, ay si Ben, kaya yan. Yan guys, busy lang si William nagsusulat ng mga lines. Yan ang view natin. Aba, may kite na lumilipad. Ayan na, ayan na. Look at the kite there, William. The other one, look. Yay! Go on, make the kite fly. That's it. Raise it up in the air. Run! Run! Raise in the air! Run! Mahirap pala magpaano ng kite, guys. Kanina pa kami ni William dito, no? Ayan, ayan, go up, go up. Yeah, there are seagulls everywhere. Yay, finally the sun's trying to come out, guys. Gusto niya dun sa may tubig. 14 degrees, guys, but it's actually medyo, oo, malamig siya, pero yung water is fine. Ay, mga ito naka-swimsuit pang lamig-lamig. Hey, come on here. Tumakbo. Is the water cold? Is it cold? Oh. As usual, guys, syempre, duty ng nanay, tagabitbit ng mga kite, ng mga tsinelas, ng mga kung ano-ano pa. Look at this seaweeds. Oh, seaweeds everywhere. Ayan. Ah, fresh air. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad dito, guys. Ayan, the sun is trying to come out. Finally, yeah? Sabi nila about 3 o'clock it will be sunny. Ano na, magtutuna. Yeah, keep going. Oh, can you see seashell? Seashell? Si William sabi, guys, come on, mommy. Oh, remember, William, you had your birthday in here. Nag 3 years old siya dito, guys. Somewhere. Dito somewhere. Ayan, dito ata na area. May tent pa kaming dala. Seagull! Is it? Is it cold? Splash! Splash! Woo, woo, woo. Splash! Look at the dog, oh, having a swim. Oh. Splash, splash, splash! The waves, when the wave comes, and jump over it. That's it. And again, the waves come in. Jump over it. Woo! Oh, look, yung aso o nandun. Woohoo! Yay! You got to jump over the wave. Is it coming? 1, 2, 3, jump! Nako, natakpan na tayo ng kite. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hindi ka nilalamig na? Is it not cold? Ako yung nilalamig eh. Wow, look at the bubbles! Sa Philippines, ayan, ako hindi na yan aahon. Kasi mainit yung tubig eh, maganda sa Pilipinas. Ibale, meron ka namang shorts doon. You okay? You wet now? It's okay. Mahangin ba sa labas? I hope you're all okay, guys. Welcome again to our channel at Simply Smith Family. Ayan. We're just making the most of our school holiday dito sa UK. Next week, yan na yung last summer dito sa UK. So, ayan, back to school na sila by September. Kaya ayan, ine-enjoy na lang namin bago balik sa work. So, this week is our holiday and Daddy's on holiday as well. And, ayan, let the kids enjoy. Maski malamig, rain or shine. It was raining this morning pero okay lang. Gora pa rin tayo. Woohoo! Si Ben and Daddy, they went for a walk kasi Ben was still asleep when I left him. So sabi ni Thomas, I'm gonna go out for a walk. So he's trying to find somewhere to go for crab fishing, but medyo mababa ang tubig. So may mga 6:30 p.m. later, it will be high tide. So yes, hello Nana, hello Tatay, hello to all our subscribers. Thank you po for spending time with us. And we are just here. Where are we? Ross on Sea. Yan. Si William, guys, balik na naman siya sa tubig. Nakaahon na kami ngayon, balik na naman siya. Nag-enjoy talaga siya sa tubig. He loves water. Oh. I got wet hands now. William, come on, look! It's going up! William! Did you go Nemo? Did you find Nemo? Was Nemo there? See Nemo? Nemo there. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where? Where are we going? Are we going? Oh, you hold this one now. What's the time? Tingnan natin tong seagull. Ay, lumipad na. Yung medyo brown, guys, baby pa yan. Baby seagull pa yan. Ayan. Siguro, woohoo! Gusto talaga niya yung tubig. So, yun na. Come on, put your feet there. Yan, guys. Warm ang sand. The sand is warm. Go. Cover your legs. Look at mommy. Cover mommy's legs. Dig, 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 dig. You make it sound Ayan, actually warm na siya. It's getting warmer. Where's my foot gone? Oh, my leg! Ayan, it's getting warmer, guys. Pwede nang tanggalin ang ating jacket. Ang ating warmer. There they are! Woo! Got to dig for your feet. If you lie down, I'll cover you with sand.
Lie down.
Oh, you lie down then. You're gonna make it. You got to dig first. Dig. That's it. Okay. Oh, now sit on here. Go sit down here. Go sit down there. Sit down here. Sit down. Oh, lie down. Lie down. Ready? Woo! Woo! Yay! Oh my goodness me! Where's Willie? There you go, Brad. There you go. Where's Willie? Oh, straighten your legs. There you go. Hang on. Hang on. Ready? Oh, lie down, lie down. Close your eyes, relax. 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 You okay? That's it, close your eyes. Close your eyes. That's better. Put your head there. Hang on, lie down. Lie down. Here you go, relax your head. Look, say hi, guys. Where's Will? There you are. Oh, do you want to get up now? Do you need help? Do you need help?
Yes.
Yes, please. Ready, steady, yes! Yay, that was cool. Give me a high five. High five, high five. He's gone. Yes? Again, ay Diyos ko, gusto na naman. Are you making a sand angel? Yeah? Ayan, sige. Shall we write your name? What? A. He's making a turtle now. Turtle. Turtle. You gotta dig again. You go cover mommy's legs. You gotta cover mommy's legs. Oh dear. Roly-poly! Ala, sige, roly-poly! Sige, paikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot lang. William, do you want to take your coat off now? It's not that cold, nanak. Enjoy pa siya eh. William, to take your coat off? Oh, what have you found? Is there a seashell? Oh, what is it? Wow. Titi, sightseeing double-decker bus. Nagutom na sila, guys. At dito, malapit sa may crab fishing center, may toilet sila dito, kaya very convenient. Dito, lakad-lakad ka dito. Dito yung toilet. So, very convenient talaga. Look at this, guys. They made like a ramp for the pram. Para yung wheelchair pram, so makapunta sila all the way there. O, diba? Napaka-thoughtful naman ng Ross-on-Sea. Yeah. Gising na si Ben, kaya we're here na. So let him play naman. He cannot wait. Bless him. You alright, Ben? Bless him, he's not sure. You okay? Push! Push, William! We did this in Cornwall, 4th Beach. At Diyos ko, guys, nasa gitna kami ng as biglang umalaw na lak. Muntik mabasa yung buti na lang, hindi masyadong... Oh, you okay? Hindi nabasa ang pram. You right, Ben? Oh, enjoy ka, William, ah. Enjoy din si Ben. Gising na, naka-recharge na. Ow! Is it ow? Welcome to our channel again, guys. Ito, Simply Smith Family. It's not as windy at the moment. Yay! Wait for me. Yeah, that's the highest it man. I couldn't fly it that high. Woohoo! Well done, Daddy. Look at that, Ben. Yeah, woohoo! That's high. That's your flying fish. It's a flying fish. Yay! Hi, Nanay. Hi, Tatay. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Ayan, sige, takbo. It's a bit rocky, anak. Careful. Ayan, low tide siya guys, kaya malayo ang tubig. Sakbo! Oh, watch the stones! Splash, splash, splash! Where's the seagull gone? He's chasing the seagull, guys. Where did it go? Where's the seagull gone?
Wow.
Oh, where's the seagull gone again? You got to be quick. If you want to catch, you got to be quick. Hi, si Ben, guys. Takbo ng takbo. He's trying to catch the seagulls. Bless him. Sige, run. Ayan ang mga moss. Oh, grabe, oh. Careful, Ben! Ayan, guys. Look at the seaweeds. Ano? Seaweeds. Be careful. Stay in the middle. That's it. Follow Daddy. Keep going. It's okay. I've got you. I've got you. Yeah, we made it! It's a bit slippery here, kaya natakot na siya, guys. Yes!
Be slippy this seaweed can. Take your time. Chin, please.
It tickles now because he's walking on the seaweeds and it tickles. You're right, William. Ayan, guys. Naglakad kami sa may seaweed area doon. May ano. Apparently, seaweed is good for you. It's an antioxidant rich in vitamins and minerals, and it produces collagen production daw, guys. At nakakaano daw yan, nakakabata. Ayan si Ben. Ito naman si Ben magdig parang aso. Ito naman magdig siya ng ano. Oh, rectangle! Not too far! Si William nandun na. Are you sleeping, Ben? Are you sleeping? Oh no. He found a stone. Nakahanap siya ng stone. Oh, babay stone. Nakahanap siya ng stone. Nagdig and then he buried it. Is that your treasure one? No more stone. Is that your treasure stone? There's some more there. There's another stone there. Look. There you go.
Can I send you some pictures?
Yeah.
On the shirt. Come on, Magic 6 on you.
tayo, guys. Andun ang mag-amang, layo na nila. There guys, they're there. At ito naman si William, ako naman ang in charge. Kaya dapat tig-isa kayo, kung hindi, naku, mawawala yung isa. Woohoo! Spin around, spin around. Kinagaya niya yung aso. Escaping the dog. Magic carpet! Pwede din sa ilalim. Oh, is that? Oh. Careful with your eyes! Babatuhan sila ng sand. White seashell. Orange one. Ayan, Ben. Takbo lang ng takbo. Takbo lang, Ben. I don't know if you can see yung mga windmills doon, guys. Medyo malayo. Come on, boys. Let's go back. Guys, yan. Ayaw na maglakad. So, nagpabuhat na lang. Hold tight. Come on, William. Where's William? There's William. Go. Hold tight. Daddy! Come and rescue us! Pardon? Well, you gotta get down now. You're heavy. Go! I just go. I go. Hold tight. Ayan guys, we have a dragon, a printed, 3D printed. Yeah, it started to go cold now. Yan, kasi nasa Wales tayo, kasi dragon ang ano nila dito yung flag nila. Dragon. Dragon. Daddy's gonna have a go again with the kite. Kasi nag-ano na naman, mahangin na naman. Ayan. Oh, Ben's ready playing happy with the dragon. Ako naman, ay sarap humiga guys. Grabe. I could sleep in here na. Pero we have to watch the kids kasi they're non-stop. Ayan, napalipad niya ulit guys. Wow! That's high! Woohoo! Ayan, ang taas na! Taas! Yeah! Si Ben din nakahiga din, oh. Well done, darling. That's really high. Woohoo! Fly kite. Ayan, hawak na ni William. Ang taas na. Time check. It's 4:25 na PM. At nandito pa rin kami, guys. The sky started to go blue, kaya we're just enjoying the day. Oh my goodness, ang taas na ng kite, no? Wow, the wind's picked up. Ayan. Ang mga bata ayaw pang umuwi. Sige, laro lang, guys. Wow, finally, guys, it's sunny. Yan, the sun is out. Si Ben ay William nag-i-snack. Ayan, umaaraw na. Umaaraw na. Ayan, again. Thank you for watching for our Simply Smith family, guys. Andito pa rin kami. At I don't know what time we're going home. Yan, si Ben. Ben wants to have a go with the kite. Oh. Ayan. I see. Oh, si William naman, guys, na inggit. Ayan, sige. Nice. Feel na feel niya, oh. Hey, did you fly the kite? Yay! Thumbs up! Woohoo! It is now, isn't it? Sun is out, guys. Ayan, Ben is taking off his cardigan. Nainitan na si Ben. Tinanggal na ang kanyang jacket. Yeah! Ayaw umuwi, mga ito. Ayaw. Ciao. Maaraw na siya, guys. Masarap na sa sa skin. Pero yung hangin ang medyo malamig. Pero tong mga bata non-stop ang takbo, kaya naiinitan pa rin sila, so ayaw na mag-jacket. This way, William! Say hi, Tita Celeste! Ayan, we're playing here at, where are we? Ross-on-Sea. Ewan ko, I'm not sure. North Wales ba tayo? North Wales. Yan, fish and chips. Mas konti ang pila dito, guys, kasi doon sa may malapit sa promenade, ang haba ng pila. So dito, we will get some fish and chips. Hindi na sila makapag-antay sa pagkain. So, buti na lang meron pa tayong sandwich. Yan, guys, we have curry sauce with our fish and chips.
I think you maybe cut the lid off.
Yeah?
And then I'll have half and you and the boys have half.
Oh, yeah. Love it. Yummy sauce. Oh,
Let go,
sharp
William,
na.
sharp,
Sharp. Yan, guys, we're back in the campsite and we're having our shower, and hopefully these boys will have a good sleep. Kasi all day kami, almost all day we stayed on the beach, at talaga naman they played hard. Play all day. Ayaw umuwi. Ito yung mga toilet blocks nila, mga shower. There's Daddy and William. At ito, pagod ang lola ninyo kakahabol sa mga kids. Ay, si William lang palang inabol ko. Yeah, we're going. You choose which one we're having a shower. This one? Which one? Wow, look at that. Malinis siya, guys. May mga hair dryer, toilets. Oh, I think we can have this one. This one. Should I have this shower? There's the light. Yeah? Yes. How about ito? How many showers do we have here? 1, 2. I think they have 2. 3. I will go to this one. I think this will do. Come on, boys. Ganda ng view. The ranger, look!
Yeah, but you need to.
Sun setting here. Darling, sun is setting.
Sunset.
Oh, bless him.
Will you fall off?
Yeah, ganda ng sunset. Oh, they had their showers. Now it's mommy's turn. Bye-bye. Go to bed na. See you later. Yan guys, thanks for watching at Simply Smith Family. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. Ang tahimik guys, ayan. Sarap matulog, pagod ngayon. Punuan dito. Ay, sarap maligo pagka ikaw lang. Makulit ang mga bata. Sabi ko, unahin ko na sila. Sige, sabi naman ni Tomas. So, at least, alam mo yon, may sarili kang, you don't have to rush to have a shower. Pag may mga bata kasi, Diyos ko. So, yan. Mga friendly ang mga tao, pakaway-kaway pa sila. Ay, may mga apoy-apoy pa sila. Gising pa kaya sila? Let's have a look. Still awake. Dinamitan ko na sila guys for para tomorrow hindi ko na sila bihisan unless I need to. O diba? Yan alin ang pantulog nila. Aba, nagawa na ang bed ninyo.